In the corner of a sunny garden lived a little garlic named Gary. He was small, but he had a very big heart. Every morning, Gary would wake up, stretch his green leaves, and whisper a happy hello to the world around him. He loved his home in the garden more than anything else. One afternoon, the sky turned gray, and heavy raindrops began to fall. Rory the carrot, who lived in the next row, frowned. "Oh no," Rory grumbled, shivering in the mud. "I hate the rain. It makes my toes feel all soggy and cold. When will it ever stop?" But Gary didn't mind the rain at all. He closed his eyes and let the cool water soak into his skin. "Thank you, clouds, for the refreshing drink," Gary whispered. He felt the water traveling down to his roots, making him feel strong and hydrated. He knew the rain was a special gift. The next day, the sun came out, shining very bright and hot. Roma the tomato wiped her brow and sighed. "It is far too warm today," Roma complained, drooping her leaves. "The sun is too loud and too yellow. I wish it would go away so I could be cool again." Gary looked up at the golden glow and felt a happy tingle. "Thank you, sun, for your wonderful warmth," Gary said. He stretched his leaves as wide as they could go, soaking up the light like a sponge. The sunshine gave him the energy he needed to grow bigger and rounder every single day. Deep under the surface, Gary felt the cozy embrace of the earth. While other vegetables complained that the dirt was too dusty or too tight, Gary felt safe. "Thank you, soil, for holding me close and feeding me," Gary whispered into the dark, quiet ground. One morning, a gardener named Sage walked into the garden with a wooden basket. Sage looked at all the vegetables, searching for the very best one. When Sage saw Gary, her eyes lit up. Gary was the largest, healthiest, and most beautiful garlic in the whole row. Sage gently pulled Gary from the earth. "You are perfect for my special harvest soup," Sage said. As Gary was lifted into the air, he saw Rory the carrot looking very surprised. "Goodbye, Rory," Gary called out. "Don't forget to thank the garden for everything it gives you." Gary sat happily in Sage's kitchen basket. He wasn't afraid. He was proud to be so useful. He knew that because he had been so grateful for the rain, the sun, and the soil, he had grown into the best garlic he could be. His heart was still full of thanks. Back in the garden, Rory and Roma thought about what Gary had said. When the next rain cloud appeared, they didn't complain. Instead, they looked at each other and smiled. "Thank you for the drink," they whispered together, learning that being grateful makes every day a beautiful day to grow.